Wait a minute.
7 foot. And she's our 27-foot schoolie. And yeah, come on in.
Oh, what was the name of the bus?
Wilderbus.
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 Wilder bus.
Oh, that was a little thing. It's a little too far away.
This is my son. He's on his Oculus.
I always like people that leave the rails on to be able to get in and out.
So this is our 27-foot schoolie. We built her out in 3 years. We've got a skylight and air conditioner. This is our dining bar.
Mm-hmm.
So when we're in travel mode, you just take these down.
I've seen ads for those. I always wondered.
That's what they look like. So they can be a little sticky getting up, especially we've had them over a year. But they just collapse down, and those go down here.
So they just fly away. Our dining bar will take and break down
This way.
when we're traveling.
Oh, that's a good way to do it.
So, you know, that just kind of stays out of the way and stuff like that. This right here is an area that when we turn on our inverter, that it pops out a 32-inch TV.
Okay.
So it just,
I think this is probably the second one I've seen that had a
raising TV.
Yeah, I thought about it, but I ended up with just a little 12-inch job.
Oh.
Don't worry about it.
No, I'm waiting. So our inverter takes a few minutes to kick on, so it just doesn't pop up. But anyway.
Yeah, my bus is everything's 12 volt.
Yeah.
Yeah. All our lighting is 12 volt.
Yeah, I've got a little plug-in Harbor Freight inverter to charge my laptop. That's the only thing.
Yeah.
And that's only because the car chargers, I couldn't find a new one after the third one broke.
Aw.
They only last so long.
Yeah. So we have 400 watts of solar. This is our solar charge controller that shows how our battery banks are doing.
Sure.
Our batteries actually lay under or stay under my
our
son's
battery bank
bed.
is under here. So we got 4 6-volt batteries. Supposedly
lead acid.
Yeah. Supposedly a 425 amp hour.
Yeah, lead acid, you can figure half that.
Yeah. Well, that's actually, it's greater than that, and that's with the half. It's 425.
Oh, okay, that's nice.
Yeah. So I don't know. You know, on the other hand, we don't run the TV and all that kind of stuff.
Sure.
We're boondocking.
So we have little strip
Strip lights.
Sure.
We've got those on either side.
Yep.
And then we have all 12-volt lighting.
I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So a lot of the woodwork, like this, was found on a trail that we were on in Oregon, in our home state. It's Manzanita, and then that long piece that's over there as you first walk in, that was a piece that was on the hiking trail as well. And we just decided we were going to polish those up and put them in our cabin. You know, this came out of the motor home that we completely demolished. It took us 5 days to demolish one down to completely nothing, and we gutted it. Liquid gold.
When you do that, you find out just how cheaply they're built.
Oh, exactly. That's exactly what happened with us.
We found out. So this comes down and guards our stove, which works really well. Oh, this actually came out of the motorhome. So that was one of the
I've got a few. I got a few dull saw blades just laying around waiting for somebody to
do something with.
Yeah.
And so we wanted our cupboard space. We didn't want this all closed in, so we put that up. And this goes to our Instahot. We have an Instahot underneath the sink. So of course that's a mess. We live here. And then this is a storage. And it's just all storage down here. Over there, all the cupboards. And then this is a 3-way fridge. It's propane, gas, and or
12
propane,
volt,
12 volt,
110, yeah,
and 120.
Yeah.
And then this is another storage area. And we have the toilet area, of course, which, you know, it's never always pretty. It's a toilet.
Right.
So we have our mirrors, and this is the shower head. So our shower is actually underneath me.
Oh, okay.
So we pop it up. Of course it's dirty, I haven't cleaned, but it wasn't. Anyway, pops in, take a shower.
That is a great way to do it.
Pop it down.
It was the only way we could figure out to get a shower in our space.
Yeah, I mean,
And these are just broom handle
that's
holders.
that's a big challenge. And if you got a full size, like mine's 33 feet, so I can have a big shower in the back, and it's just me.
Right.
But you know, big buses, smaller the bus, the harder it is to get a shower in.
Yes. So this is where we figured we put ours.
Yeah.
And it definitely worked.
And
Then we
I've
got
been-
more storage back in the back area. And
I've
this
been
is the
toying with
bedroom.
the idea of building a short bus, and you know, I might copy that.
Oh, there's a lot of people that say that. Hey, you know, I never thought to do it.
Which
in
is,
the
of
middle.
course, why this whole video series. Is
Exactly. It's
People
like,
get ideas.
you know. So this is on a slide. It slides off, so you can actually look out that window.
Sure.
You know, if there's a sunset or something that you want to watch, then you can just pull it out. If you want to watch TV, a DVD player, sound bar, and then this is the closet storage area. Of course, it's got a bunch of clothes in
Okay.
it. And then, yeah, this is the bedroom area. We have 2 cats that hang out with us.
Yeah, I saw the guard cats.
Cats and dogs.
2 cats and a dog. Our other cat likes to hide. But we got a fan that turns on and off, so then, you know, while you're taking a shower, you have a vent,
Sure.
you know.
Yeah, I've got a fan in my shower too.
Yeah, so it goes reversed where it blows air in, or
Yeah.
it can suck it out.
Yep.
So
It's a Maxit fan.
it's
Knockoff.
not a Max fan, it's a knockoff of a Max fan.
Yeah.
But it works like a Max fan.
As long as it works.
Yep. So this is the bus.
Yeah.
We got storage underneath of our bed, and a diesel heater, but it's a really big pain in the butt.
Now, how much
to
water
put up.
storage do you have?
63 gallons.
Okay.
When we ripped when we did the propane, or when we tore apart the camper, we took one of their water tanks, one of their freshwater tanks. And then my brother had a bunch of campers on his property, and we tore one of them down, tore out one of the our water tanks. So both water tanks underneath the bed, our system is split. So we have, it gravity feeds into the other tank when it,
Sure. So yeah, so it keeps it even.
right.
Yeah.
Right. Crossovers.
Actually, On my homestead, I've got two 2,600 gallon tanks.
Mhm.
Same thing.
Same thing.
Yeah. So they can, but I got it so I can turn them off because they're not going anywhere. They're not,
Right.
You know, but every once in a while I'll equalize them.
Right.
So, but
So yeah, this is Wilder.
yeah, very nice bus. I like it. Thank you for the tour.
Not a problem.
Well, thank you.
Thank you for coming in and checking us out.
Yeah.
We've got a generator outside as well, you know.
Sure.
So and we got diesel tanks outside. So and we got gray water tanks. So
Right.
we've got a composting toilet, so we don't ever have black water.
Yeah. It's the way to go.
Yeah,
All right. Thanks.
not a problem.